goes to subclass constructor, whichever constructor is there. From that subclass constructor, control goes to default constructor of base class by default. Now we have to think, what if base class does not have a default constructor? Then what will happen? So for that, yeah, we have demo 2, no, demo 3. Demo 3. What if base class does not have a no arc constructor or default constructor? Now, first of all, look at this class base and tell me, does it have default constructor?
No.
No, parameterized.
Parameterized.
Correct. So correct answer is it does not have default constructor. Neither we have provided, neither we have defined, nor compiler has provided. So this class base does not have a default constructor. So in this case, what will happen? Sub S1 is equal to new sub. Control goes to subclass constructor. But from there, it will try to call default constructor of base by default. It's not there. So error. So demo 3, you will get error. Error. Why the error is there? Because base does not have a default constructor. Now this error is as it is. That means demo3.java has got error. Demo 4 will try to solve that error. So when you revise these all things, don't say, "Arey program mein error hai." Program mein error hai purposely. So next example will try to solve that error. First, make sure you follow this concept. Make sure you follow why error is there. Then we'll go ahead.
Sir, can you please repeat why there is error?
Because when you say sub S is equal to new sub, control goes to subclass constructor, and subclass constructor tries to invoke default constructor of base by default. Default base class does not have a default constructor, so there's the error.
Okay.
Okay. Now what we'll do here is, in our discussion, we'll try to solve that error, and then I will show you the actual example. So I will rename this file as, I will change this name as demo3A. So error. Now let us discuss how to solve that error. Let's see what opinion people give.
We have to solve the explicit base class constructor.
Default constructor.
Create default by default constructor we can provide.
The simplest, the most obvious solution people will give here is provide default constructor. Okay, so wait. We can define as many as constructors in the class. So provide default constructor. We'll provide default constructor. Okay, provide default constructor. Provide it. Now, yes. Done. So that way we have provided solution for that error. Huh? So we provided default constructor. So now it's working. Now, even though this solution works, we have provided default constructor. Even though this solution works, but it is not always practically possible in a practical scenario. It is not always practically possible to provide default constructor in the base class. Why? Even though we have provided default constructor here and solved the problem, it's not practically possible every time to provide default constructor in the base class.
Because
Can you guess why?
some classes are not accessible to us.
Yeah, because that base class may not have been written by us. That base class is defined by some other developer, and he has just given us .class file. So how can we change? How can we go in that class and add? First of all, that developer will not allow us to add default constructor. So even though by adding default constructor in the class, we have solved this problem, it's not practically possible always. So in that case, what is the solution? In that case, whichever constructor is available in the base class, parameterized constructor, we need to call explicitly from the subclass constructor. When we cannot provide default constructor in base class, what is the solution? Whichever parameterized constructor is available in the base class, we need to call it explicitly from subclass constructor. How exactly? Using keyword super. So in Java, super is a keyword to access parent class members. This time you are accessing constructor. So super, and how many parameters are there in the constructor? One parameter. What type? Integer. So let's say super 20. Yeah. Look at the output. Base parameterized constructor sub noir. So how does it work? When you create object of sub, new sub, control comes here, and from here it goes to parent super 20. It calls this constructor and then comes back. Comes back, we don't have to say, that is obvious. So when you don't have default constructor in parent, what can be done? Either you can provide default constructor, but it's not possible. If it is not possible, then whichever parameters constructor is available in the base class, you need to call it from the subclass constructor by using which keyword? Super. And the super keyword, when you use super keyword to invoke constructor, when you use super keyword in order to invoke constructor, that super has to be on the first line of constructor. It has to be on the first line.
Sorry, sir, can you repeat?
What?
Last line.
Super keyword, when it is used to invoke constructor, it has to be on first line.
First line on base subclass constructor.
Obviously.
Okay.
जहां से कॉल करते हो वहीं पे ना. हाँ, yes.
Sir,
बोलो.
Client can edit only main class now. Create and
What?
edit.
नहीं, यहाँ पे कैसे है ना, सी यहाँ पे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्लाइंट और डेवलपर के बारे में अगर सोच रहे हो तो थिंक ऑफ डेवलपर हैज डिफाइंड बेस एंड क्लाइंट हैज रिटर्न सब. Correct. So client cannot change the class defined by developer. So client can see in the documentation which parameterized constructor is available. That client can call from his constructor.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
बोलो बोलो
Sir, sir,
बोलो, बोलो।
suppose we have in the superclass, suppose we have a constructor with two arguments. So in from the base class constructor, we have to pass two values in super statement, right?
Now you ask me one question where super class and base class, ये क्या हुआ?
Sir, sorry, not superclass. Sorry, parent class.
Super class, parent class, both are same.
No, sir. Sir, what I am trying to say is, sir,
हाँ.
in base class, suppose we have a constructor with two parameters.
Yeah, मैं लिखता हूँ.
And-
I'm writing. Wait. Change num. हाँ?
Yes.
तो in that case अगर
yes.
हाँ अगर ऐसे है ना तो यहाँ पे आपको 20, something 30.
Yes, sir. That is what I was.
Whichever parameter constructor you want to invoke, you can invoke.
Yes.
Sir, like same, if we don't use a super keyword here and pass the same number of parameter in sub default constructor, what will happen?
Parameter कैसे pass करेंगे sub default constructor में?
Means we declare as same parameter, constructor declare करेंगे same parameter जो भी parent के constructor में है उतने.
अच्छा, you mean ऐसे?
हाँ.
Whatever it is. See, subclass constructor can be of any type. But if base does not have a default constructor, you must try to invoke base class parameters constructor from sub. तो यहाँ पे super लिखना ही पड़ेगा.
Okay, ठीक है.
At the most you can say a, b. अगर hard code नहीं करना है तो. So whatever value you will get, exactly same value you will pass to super.
हाँ, just वही था
हाँ.
कि main necessary है super pass करना है.
Yes, compulsory.
हाँ, ठीक है.
So what if we don't know how many arguments? The
ऐसे तो
base
नहीं
class-
होगा, ऐसे तो नहीं होगा. Documentation है ना? Yes or no?
Okay, yes.
ऐसे तो नहीं होगा, कभी नहीं होगा. Not possible at all. Documentation नहीं दिया तो कॉल करेंगे उसको. How many parameters constructors are there? Please WhatsApp me.
Okay.
Sir, if subclass has both type of constructor, default
हाँ वो
and
देखें, वो है अभी एग्जाम्पल बहुत है. ये पूरा डिस्कशन उसी पे है.
okay.
हाँ, होल्ड ऑन, अभी आराम से जाएंगे आगे. इन द करंट एग्जाम्पल कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलो. डेमो 3 तो एरर ही है. हाँ, डेमो 3 इज एरर. हाँ,